Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. Today, we're tackling a super practical topic: how to withdraw XDC from your Phantom wallet to Uphold in 2025. If you're into crypto and want to move your XDC assets smoothly, this step-by-step guide is perfect for you. Let's dive right in and make this process as easy as possible. First things first, make sure you have the Phantom Wallet app installed on your device and that it's fully updated for 2025. This wallet is popular for its user-friendly interface, especially for tokens like XDC. Once you're logged in, head to your dashboard and locate your XDC balance. Double-check that you have enough funds, including any potential network fees. Step 1. In Phantom Wallet, select the XDC token from your assets list. It's usually right there in the main view, but if not, use the search function to find it quickly. Step 2. Tap on the Send or Withdraw button associated with XDC. This will open a form where you'll enter the destination details. Step 3. Copy and paste your Uphold wallet address into the recipient field. Pro tip: always verify the address twice to avoid any costly mistakes. Crypto transactions are irreversible. Step 4. Enter the amount of XDC you want to withdraw. Be mindful of minimum withdrawal limits and subtract any gas fees that might apply on the XDC network. Step 5. Review all the details on the confirmation screen, including the amount, fees, and recipient address. If everything looks good, hit confirm and authorize the transaction using your wallet's security features, like a PIN or biometric verification. Step 6. Sit tight while the transaction processes. Depending on network congestion, this could take a few minutes to an hour. Once it's done, hop over to your Uphold account to confirm the XDC has arrived. And there you have it. That's how you withdraw XDC from Phantom Wallet to Uphold in 2025. Remember, crypto can be volatile, so always stay secure and keep an eye on your assets. If this video helped you out, hit that like button, subscribe for more tutorials, and drop a comment below if you have questions. Thanks for watching, and see you in the next one.